Yo, son, this is Joshua, a.k.a. I'm here at Rags in the Metro Center here. I'm going to show you my co-partner in crime, a.k.a. Mr. Nasty, ever. You see him? Hey, Nasty! You see him over there? That's my man. That's nasty. You nasty. Don't try to throw your name on everybody. But anyway, we about to show you what we got new here at Metro Center. We about to do what we do and how we do. All right, now look at this right here. All this new. Come check us out here at Metro Center. You know what we do? We about to eat shrimp. All right, we tired eating spam. We tired eating it. All right, but we like spam. But hey, time to eat shrimp. Chill for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get it done. So you see the snapbacks we got. We got the new Cincinnati. We got D-backs, Dodgers, Yankees, all that. We got everything you need. You see the hat. Come on. This is your boy Just. Come to my store. Come holler at your boy. Show love, give love. You know how I do. I do this for you, because we do it well. All right? All for you. All right? Nothing more, nothing less. That's right. Got my little Floyd Mayweather going on. Do a little something. Holler back at your boy. See the hat? See the snapback? Get at your boy. All right? It's all day, every day. Snapbacks all up and down the aisle. All up and down. You see it. Come get at me at Metro Center here in Phoenix, Arizona. Your boy Just. Peace!